Early this year, Congress passed a bill called MCED, the Multi-Cancer Early Detection Act. It gave Medicare the authority to cover blood-based screening tests for cancer. If you're familiar with ASAP, that probably sounds familiar, because what MCED did for blood cancer is almost exactly what the ASAP Act can do for Alzheimer's. MCED recognized that the science of blood-based cancer screening was advancing fast, and that Medicare didn't have the authority to keep up. So, Congress granted that authority, clearing the way for coverage as the FDA approves those tests. The ASAP Act does the same thing for Alzheimer's. The FDA has already cleared blood tests for use in patients with symptoms. The science is moving toward screening. But under current law, Medicare can't cover any screen test for diseases that cause dementia, even if the FDA clears one tomorrow. The ASAP Act removes that legal barrier so coverage can follow the science. Same problem, same solution. Members of Congress who voted for the MCED Act have already endorsed the principle that Medicare should cover blood-based screening tests when the science supports it. Voting for the ASAP Act is the logical next step. It would be hard to explain why you would cover blood-based tests that screen for cancer, but you wouldn't do so for Alzheimer's. And voters see it the same way. In Ames National Survey, 81% of voters found that fairness or parity argument convincing. But here's another thing about MCED, and I don't want us to forget it. The MCED Act took more than 5 years to pass. We don't have 5 years. The Alzheimer's treatments that work best early are available right now. We are not asking Congress to do something new. We're asking them to do what they just did and to do it today. Thank you.